AI also has a lot for future generations. It's not only giving boost to the economy of the world, but it's also opening new doors for the youth of the country, empowering the Yuva Shakti. DD India's Deepika has interacted with Akash Rajput, CTO and co-founder of InMorphis, who said that AI is a boon for young entrepreneurs like him and has thanked the government for allowing them to show their intelligence to the world through the Brilliant Expo. Take a look.
We are now joined by Mr. Akash Rajput, who is the Chief Technology Officer of InMorphis, and their pavilion is here at the ongoing summit by the name of ServiceNow. Thank you so much, Mr. Rajput, for joining us here on DD India. Tell us about your collaboration with ServiceNow and what are you looking forward to at the ongoing summit?
First of all, I would love to thank Government of India because having these kind of summit organized in India, it's a very first kind of summit in, I'll say, history of India, right? From the AI point of view. Because every time when we see all these kind of summits usually happen in US or some other European countries. But this is the very first time at this scale we are having this kind of event in India. And that's very interesting because there are few other companies who are coming up with India-based, I'll say, AI operating systems, okay? And we as a InMorphis, we started in India. Now we are a global company, but we started as a, we were the two people who started this organization in a basement. And we started with what I call, say, is ServiceNow technology, which I will say it as operating system, AI operating system for business.
Akash, you're representing the youth of the country right now. And
Yes.
when we talk about the AI and especially the progress India is making in this particular field, what do you think, how far we've come?
Now, if you see, many new companies are opening in India. It's not just Silicon Valley that all the new startups and everything is incorporating there. India itself has many other startups. And I'll say it's started since last 6 to 7 years, right? We are getting all the powers. You take an example of UPI. When I used to go to US or any other company, I have to always carry the cards. But now the innovation is that I do not need to. And that's way the AI is also happening here. You take an example of 7AI, right? That was amazing that real time we were doing the translation.
And that is why we say that AI is for human. It has to be human-centric, and this is what the focus of Prime Minister Narendra Modi is as well when we talk about this particular summit with the motto, welfare for all, happiness of all. And with this, it's a wrap here at this special segment. Thank you so much for joining us here on DD India. Namaskar.